Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to create YouTube thumbnail using Canva AI. So let's get started. So the first step you'll have to do is to go to canva.com and log into your account. Once logged in, at the top menu you'll see the option Canva AI. Tap on it and now a text box with some options will appear over here. Simply on the bottom click on design for me, and here you'll see these options: social media, presentation, marketing. Click on social media, and now finally you'll see the option format. Tap on it and now choose your preferred format, but as we are going for a YouTube thumbnail, just click on YouTube thumbnail. Now what you will need to do is to add a prompt for your thumbnail. So for example, a colorful YouTube thumbnail for my cooking channel. And now over here you'll see some designs. Click on the one you like the most, and now at the top right click on use Canva editor. And now over here you will be in the Canva editor and you can change anything you like. This includes your fonts, your pictures and your colors. Now once you're done editing, on the top right hand side click on share, and then at the bottom click on download and click on download once again, and your thumbnail is ready. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.